Time to fill your space. The catalog is where every piece of furniture and decoration lives. Open the catalog tab on the left. Items are organized by category: tables, chairs, sofas, lighting, plants, decorations, and more. Use the search bar to jump straight to what you need. Drag any item onto the canvas. Works in both 2D and 3D. Drop it where you want, and it snaps to the floor automatically. Hold Shift to temporarily pause snapping and move freely. To scale, drag the white circle handle in the bottom right corner of the item. To rotate, use the handle at the bottom. Drag it left or right to turn the item around. To raise an item off the floor, a hanging lamp, a shelf, a stacked piece, switch to 3D and drag it up, or type an exact value in the elevation field in the property panel. The property panel shows all customization options. Some items have color overridable parts. Click to change them, then apply the new color to all similar items in the design at once. Need to flip an item? Use the mirror option in the property panel to reverse it horizontally, useful for asymmetric furniture or mirrored layouts. The Actions section gives you more control. Move an item by an exact distance, replace it with a similar one from the catalog, or generate an automatic layout. That last one is covered in detail in the tables video. Every item exactly where you want it. Placed, scaled, rotated, styled.